Already. What can I all do today? I need to wait for my bank. Aside from that, I think everything else is fine. Yeah. I would say so. Yo, what's up, Viddy? I'm just doing the boring stuff right now. I don't really think I can show it on stream because it's like bank stuff, you know. So yeah. I gotta put my transit number, institution, account number, all that stuff. I think everything else is done now. I'm good to go. It's got approved. Where's Giant Dad? Oh, hi, Giant Dad. When you get here, I'll put some tunes on. Anyways, Giant Dad, do you have a playlist you want me to play? We haven't played one of your playlists in a while. Okay, what the fuck is going on here? Justin, you're aware it's not actually going to be published as 102, right? Like, we don't have a name for it. It's not literally going to be called 102. That's stupid. You can't do that. Nah, PvP's been dead, bro. I guess Bobcat maybe, but he doesn't really play at a high rank. He just goofs around. Bobcat. Locke used to, but he quit his PvP shit. Okay, no, you can't. Yeah. I gotta link my bank. I was trying to log in on my bank to check my info or whatever to put in, and I got my password wrong, so I got locked out. Oh my god, how long do I have to wait for this shit? Annoying. Wait, Giant Dad, do you have a playlist or no? Let me see if I have one saved. Oh, I have Shadow Fate. Yeah, this one. Oh my god, I don't have mana. Bro, why am I so washed it was? Gambling simulator? Nah. I can't put the funds on my other bank account. It has to be this one, so I just have to wait which is annoying. Anyways, let me load up the engine here. Get the stream set up. Not actually gonna sit here and play Wiz. No, I think this goes here. What are you farming for? I think like tier 5 or something, I don't know. Just something to do while you're boring paperwork. Had to do a lot of it the past couple of days. How did I make the fucking screen smaller, bro? Okay, there we go. Oh my god. There we go. Okay, Giant Dad, what are we working on today? Flea button, which I was supposed to get. We could probably just get one. We need to work on the countdown. And then Shad and Pips, we don't have art for that, so I guess we can't really do them. Unless we just use placeholders. Or he didn't kill? Nah, it already got approved. I need to link the bank account. Because they don't take PayPal. Alright, Giant Dad. So if I remember correctly, the problem was I needed to make some functions for the countdown timer that you sent me. Because I was searching up the stuff, I didn't have like 3 things. So I don't know if you can find that screenshot or whatever. I'll pull up my blueprint here in a second once the engine loads. Okay. And we also gotta fix this bug where you can just fucking whatever the fuck this is, bro. I can just walk out of combat, but I don't know. Wait, why does the cards look like that? Is it because of the bug? I thought we fixed that. Oh, it's because of the bug. Yeah, we gotta fix whatever bug that is. That's cause, I don't know. That's really annoying. Oh, did they just go on without me? I'm sorry. LOL? What? Anyways, I'll pull up the countdown here. Is it in Battle Circle? No, I don't think it was. Nah. Nah. Widget. Okay, we have a countdown widget and so it'd have to be one of these. Countdown or widget. This guy said I need a break after one run. Okay, honestly, that's fine. That's fine. Less work for me. Put a match on field and skip busy. Alright. Put this on. I didn't watch the World Cup. I don't really care about that stuff. I'm busy. I tried that. Okay, well, clearly it wasn't in here. Is it? Oh wait, it might be. No. I think it's in the other hand. Countdown? Where was... Where... Was it in hand? Where was the coding we were doing? For countdown. I put this on for chat. I'm confused. Sequence check, sequence checker. Enter sequence. Start cooldown. What the? Where the fuck is this thing, Granddad? Battle circle? Oh, right here. No. That's something else. Bro, I'm so confused. What are we doing? What are we doing? What's up, Anthony? I don't know. We're trying to get the countdown to go and match with on the screen. So when we go into combat here, we should have there should be a countdown like there is in Wiz, where it's attached to your HUD, so the player knows how much time they have. We have the countdown floating in Timbuktu for the people outside. We need the player who's controlled to know how much time they have, reasonably. Where would we even put it? So the minions... Okay. Here's what I'm gonna do. While Giant Dad is thinking, I'm going to put some placeholders. And okay, we put the countdown on the bottom left. So I need to add image. I might be out of brain cells. Oh no, drawing dead. Okay, let's put this here. Duplicate. Oh shit, whoops. One up here. Put this here. Okay. That looks wrong. At least Young Bell's working today. At least Young Bell working. Why does that look weird? That does not look right. Huh. Maybe because they're not wrapped or something. Do I need to wrap an image with the canvas panel for it to go where I need it to go? It's clearly not going where I need it to go. I don't think. Lock in mode. Alright, I guess I'll just start hitting buttons and see what happens. Okay, I think that worked. So do I just have to anchor it? Trying to make them symmetrical. I think I just have to anchor it. Okay, he's gotta go like up here more though. Okay, it's fine. Okay. So that's just a placeholder for the enemy. I thought it was funny, Jojo. Put Rapid in there. Okay, so these will be the minions. Obviously, they're similar to like E33 or Wiz or whatever. Our teammates are down here. What else do we need? The countdown. Is it just countdown and flee? And then I guess Shad and Pips. Okay. Put another Wiz game on for y'all. I'm gonna try to get another image for Flea here, just for placeholder. Alright, generating a placeholder. So we'll have plea, swap pass. Then countdowns, pips, and shad. And I also need to consider for the enemies their stuff too. Yeah, even when you try to make a UI simple, there's still so much info you need to put on the screen. No flee button? What do you mean no flee button? You don't have a flee button? What if someone gets dragged? You don't want them to die? Just log out? I mean, I guess we could design something like that, so like when you log out, you don't end up in the same, like where if you log back in, you go to the nearest sidewalk or something. We could do something like that. So like, let's say I fight this guy, I get dragged, I don't want to be here. Instead of fleeing, it's like quickly escape log back in, and then it'll spawn me in to the nearest sidewalk, which would be like over here. We could do it that way during then. Yeah? Okay, well in that case then. I guess honestly that's better too, because this is less things on the screen. How are you gonna tackle the FPS issues? We'll figure it out when we get there, Raz. Unless Giant Dad has the answer right now. Anyways, so go back to the HUD. Over here. Okay, so if we only have 2 buttons, we could move them down more. Or to the sides, or make them bigger. There's a lot we could do. You're cooked? Oh no, Raz. That's not good. What do you mean you're cooked? Looking clean? I mean, it's just placeholders. Like, I think AI literally made everything except for the cards. I think. And the pips. And the wand. I mean, we could put our shad meter down here, but I feel like that's kind of weird, isn't it? You can AI generate frames? I don't know anything about that. I feel like I want to avoid putting stuff up here, because I want that to be for the enemies. I have an idea, Giant Dad. I don't know if, I don't know if it's a good idea or not, but what if we like did something weird and put like the pips on the left side of the screen, like vertically? Like make them big, obviously. Do you want to incorporate voice chat? Maybe. I'd like to, but that's what all these people do. It's cheating to fix the. I don't know anything about that, bro. I'll be honest. Because like we have space in the top left on the left side of the screen here, chat. Like we could put the pips over here. Then if we do that, we could have the shot meter just here. I'm just worried about if I put the shot meter and the. I mean, we could put it below the cards if we have the space. Maybe we should just do that. What do you think, chat? Giant Dad, I need the progress bars. I need to visualize this for chat. Where's the progress bars? How can you get Wizard 102? Well, we're not there yet, but I think Giant Dad said Steam, right? Okay. Progress bar. How do I do this? Well, I need a progress bar. And then sure, style, background, bar back, image, fill image, bar, I don't know. Let's just do this for now. Why does that look weird? Hold on. Steam. That's what I thought, yeah. I remember we had a problem with this last time too, I remember that. Draws image. Why is it black? It's been a while since I've done this. Okay, this looks right. Set the image. Fill image. Yes. That is so weird. This? What am I doing wrong? Size to content? No. Anchor? No. Wrap? Okay, I'm just gonna delete this whole thing. I don't know what, I thought I had this. I don't know what I did wrong. Guess I'll dupe this one maybe, and then just change it. Fuck. If I can't get this to work after this, it's just gonna be chalked through, I don't know. I really thought I had this down, and I'm just really confused. Why it's not working. The background. Set the image size. Right. And fill it with this. Or that. So why the fuck isn't it working? They're both I don't know, Giant Dad. I don't know why the fuck it's not filling the thing. Percent? Oh, there we go. Why is it green? Bro, what? Yo, chat, am I going colorblind? This is clearly yellow. Remember? Remember what? The bar color is set blue by default. Yeah, I would scroll down to get rid of it, but I don't see it here anymore. So I'm confused about. Where's the blue thing? One of the. Oh, yep, here it is. Yep, you fucking cock hiding around it, little fucking bitch. Okay. How can I visualize this for chats? Rotate. How do I rotate this shine ad? Angle. Oh fuck. Okay. So let's say I need to make this smaller too. Like, sure, we'll do that. I'm probably gonna have to anchor this dumb fuck. And then I guess I'll just rename this fucking shot or something. I don't know. Duplicate, and then we're gonna change this one to literally anything else. Let's do this. This looks terrible, but it'll get the point across. Okay. Okay. So obviously, it's not gonna be a bar. It'd be pips over here. I think having both I think having both would be obnoxious over here. So maybe only one, or just put them both under the cards. I feel like putting them under the cards makes more sense, Giant Dad, doesn't it? I feel like it does. Like, who the fuck wants to look over here? Plus, it looked pretty anyways, without it there. Yeah. Okay, so... I put another game on for y'all. Angle back. I gotta make this significantly smaller. Let's take this, angle it back, 0.4, 0.4. Oh my god. Why does this look different? Oh, I see. Bro, stop being stupid. Please. Oh, I'm not paused, that's why. Okay. Okay, obviously it's off center, but I feel like that's a lot more intuitive. Something like that. There'll only be 1 meter for the shot. The other one will be like your pips. I have the shad bar on the team HUD. VFX in game keep track of it without UI too. What do you mean? I mean, it has to be on the UI. They need to see what the fuck their shad's at. Is there a way we can summon the pips we have on the screen? Like, we have 37 pips. Like, can we get our pips to appear here? On the blueprint pips, you can make effects and shaders. Where did Young Bell go? Oh, it's the bug. Should have known. I'm just gonna start assuming when when Young Bell disappears, it's a bug. I'm just gonna start assuming that. Fucking Young Bell, bro. Anyways. So yeah, we need to get the pips to appear on the screen, and we need to get the countdown to appear on the UI, whatever. We can worry about shadow later, but for now, let's worry about getting the pips on the screen. So I'll get rid of one of the meters then. What is that? That's for the minions. So like Young Bell. This placeholder. Why is this going crazy? Wait, I think I might know. Because it's not anchored to the middle? Is that why it's not centered? Aha! Nice drop, Bam. Giant Dad's probably so proud of me, bro. Figuring out stuff myself. Oh, it's a little small. That's fine. I need to move it down. the cards. Okay, that's better. The pips show up on the team HUD. Huh? You can just use that same update, do set whatever else. The pips show up on the team HUD. I'm confused. You want me to go to team HUD? Oh, it says 7. There's 7 there. Oh, 37. Why does it say 7 then? There's supposed to be a 3 there. You can just use that same update to set whatever else. Okay, well, we're gonna need a placeholder for pips. So I'll cook one right now, I guess. Why? I didn't even open this, bro. The fuck? Cloud tripping. No, we want it to look like that. We don't want a number. Numbers are ugly. That's why I'm making a pip placeholder right now. I guess it's just the same logic as adding pips. While I'm harassing this AI to give me a good pip. Young girl was like, I just harassed the AI over and over until he did what I wanted. For the whole bar. That's funny. Okay, cool. Save. Okay. I made a pip. Do I add it to or I need to add it to content drawer? Delete some of this stuff we don't need. Alright, Giant Dad. I got the pit. Yo, this bitch is stupid, bro. Oh my god, I hate AI sometimes. I said transparent, and it gave me a fucking white border. A little turkey. Okay. I'm back. Imagine if you made this with only the progress bar. Oh. Are you saying you... Oh, I see what you mean, Giant Dad. I like that. I like that idea. I like that idea. But I don't know though. I mean, I don't want there to be like a bar in the background. Like, I want it to be like transparent though. Yeah, I just want to be able to see the whether you have a pip or not. It can be. Okay. I don't think I let people know I went live today. Okay. Okay. Bro, this AI is stupid as fuck, dude. What the hell? Bro. Let me like refresh the page or something. Like, what the fuck? Okay, I got it now. Jesus, man. Okay. Delete this dumb thing. And then put in this one. Why can't I put it in? Oh, it's not. Right. Okay, now it'll go in. Okay, cool. So delete that. Okay, so what do you want to do with this thing, Giant Dad? open the texture. Okay. First, set it to the bar fill image. Scale the fill, you mean? Or what do you mean? First, set it to the bar fill image. You mean in the other area? Am I blind? Okay. Let me... Fill image. I put size content on. I don't see no fill image anywhere. Not in here. Advanced. Zoom. Background. Oh, cool. Set it to wrap. Set it to wrap instead of clamp. It does say wrap. Wrap. Where the fuck are you looking? Wrap. Oh, engine diff. Okay, that's fine. How does the bar look? The bar. What bar? In here? Where do you want to... The progress bar. We have one for Rat Beard, and we have one... This is Shad placeholder. You gotta set the fill image of the bar to the pip. Oh, what the fuck? Yeah, that's I kinda fuck with that low key, dude. Yes. I'm gonna turn off Wiz. I have the animation on. That's probably why. I have the animation enabled. It's not tiling. Fill image. Image size. Draw as image. What's his no tiling? Oh shit. What the fuck did I just do? I'm confused what you're looking for. Hmm. Draws tiling. Okay. Done. I put something in here. I actually can. There we go. Are you sure this fill image is set to this? Okay. Hey, 1 second. You should. I just saw it's not. Right here, fill image. Right here. Oh. What the fuck? What giant dead? I'm confused, bro. I don't know. I don't. Why is it not working? Oops. Okay, click on the progress bar. Background image is the background image. Fill image is the pip asset. Image size, whatever. 10, whatever. Draw as image. Is mark image. Enable fill. Do you have to set the background bar to the same thing? It is set to the same thing, or well, it was. Image horizontal, image horizontal. Set its image to the pet. Okay. Yeah. What texture size is the pet? 1024 by 1024. They probably made it huge, so it'll only tile if you scale it up. Yeah. It's supposed to be 64. Oh my god, darn that. Fucking. You know what? I'm gonna play my game while the AI does it. Look at that, look how pretty that looks. God damn it, Giant Dad. So what is supposed to be happening? It will make pips. Really? The bug happened because Young Bell's in here. And he's still not here. This fuck ass bug. There he is. You know, I was kind of thinking for a shot meter giant time, maybe it'd be cool to have like have it like as an arc down here, maybe like below pass, or I don't know, something like that. Instead of just having a straight line. Alright, let's see if this one works, Shrine Dad. Oh my god, this AI. Yeah, oh, dude, bro, the emotions. Photoshop's better than AI. I asked it to fucking do 64 by 64 and it gave me the same fucking image. The same thing, bro. Oh, guys. But yeah, Raz, I don't know if you're still here or not, but maybe like only for like group members or something. Or something we could do, Giant Dad, actually, not, I'm thinking. Yeah, young Bell bug again. What if we, what if we replace the potion? What if we just did the shot meter inside of the globe instead of the potions? So the potions would just go like beside it, don't like Liz. I feel like it'd be so cool to see that guy. Shad meter here though, like an arc. I don't know. I mean, we could still make the arc though. I feel like it would look cool. Let's see what people think about that, and that would make sense actually. What, putting the shot meter where the 3 is? Bro, this fucking AI, dude. This guy is awful. I'm actually like, I don't know what to do. Like, he's just stupid. Like, I don't know what to do, bro. I mean, he gave me. Oh my god. It looks so bad though, Giant Dad. Like, it looks like. It looks so bad. Whatever, it's fine. It's placeholder anyways. I swear to Christ, if this isn't 64 by 64, I'm gonna lose it. Oh my god, it's not. Oh my god, Giant Dad, bro. Can you just do it? Oh my god. Oh my god. This way, bro. It went. It went from 1024 to 1254. When I told it to go to 64. Oh my god. I'll just send you it, Giant Dad. I don't know. I don't know how to do whatever the fuck it is you do, but holy shit, bro. I think it's this one. Fucking Christ. Yeah, I'm ordering food, bro. What's up, Dave? I'm sorry to put that on you, Giant Dad, but bro, I literally tried like 4 times with AI, bro. And he was going slow too, it's not even quick. He was slow. Okay, so if we have pips here. We could also like put the pips on as an arc too if you wanted to. So it's a straight line. I don't know, maybe. I'm just thinking like we have a lot of room down here. Giant Dad, is there a way? Oh my god, Giant Dad. Bro, I tried, okay. Is there a way? Okay. I don't know if he's looking at the stream right now. Okay, so if I'm out and about, let's say I'm Dave right now, right? Let's say I'm Dave. I'm playing Wizard 102, right? And let's say right now the potions are by the health in the mana right now, right? Okay. Okay. Right. And the second Dave goes into combat, when Young Bell doesn't bug, hold on. The second Dave goes into combat, this would turn into a Shad instead. Because it's not like you can use potions in combat anyways. Does that make sense at all, or is that even possible? Exactly. Exactly what? That's what you would do. Oh, that's what you meant? Because if we did that, that would save us a lot. Like, we'd be done. Right? After we get the countdown on the screen, we'd be done. I'm pretty sure. That's literally everything. Pip, Shad, health, magic, pass, swap, cards, teammates. Well, Young Bell's not here again. Fucking Christ, Young Bell. Boss, minions, social tab. And then we're missing the countdown. I feel like the countdown would just go on the right side here, because it's like only place we have room for it. I think that's it. Chat, what do you think? We need to get that countdown going, then we'll be good. What do you think, Dave? If we put the countdown, I should probably draw it on the screen for y'all. You got it, Giant Dad? Giant Dad Pip, fuck yeah. Look how much better mine looks. Where's the Giant Dad Pip? Oh wow, look at that, it actually works. Nice job, Giant Dad. Okay, where am I going? Wrong folder. Here, Giant Dad Pip. Oh, you have like a blue background on yours though. Do you not make it transparent? Or is it just bugging? Oh, it's just bugging, I think. Okay, so what do you want me to do with this? You want me to go to wrap, and then is it hand or team HUD? I think it's hand. Go here. Put this in here. Where is Giant Dad? Huh? Giant Pip. Type the whole fucking. Oh my god, Giant Dad, what have you done? What the fuck has he done? Yes? What do you mean, yes? Okay, I'll put in both. Giant Dad, look, what the fuck is this? What is going on? What an abomination have we made? That looks cool. Okay. Oh god. Wait, so do we only need one then? We don't need both, right? You can change the background back to what we had. Oh, let me guess. We're gonna turn the opacity of the background off. Maybe when we're done. No, I don't know. Possibly. All right. Okay, so now what do we do? Not set it to 37 pips. Not set it to 37. I need to eat. Turn off the animation. And scale it, right? What, the pips or the bar? The bar size? Scale it right. Not the image sizes. Like literally scale. The actual bar size on top. Size XY. What do you want to do with it? Make it bigger? Or confused? Oh, wait, I think I see. That'll be a long way away, Lumi. I'm not gonna have it on the HUD though. I intentionally designed it to not have the cone shop on the HUD. So if you want to have a cone shop, it'll be in the menu. You won't always see it when you're playing the game and have it being like, oh, buy our shit, you know? Or like in combat here, like, we purposely left that out. Because like we don't, like, you don't need that shit there, bro. Play the fucking game, you know? You have to get it so the bar percentage matches the pips. The bar percentage. Bro, what? Oh. Like the 64 by 64. Good luck. This is a stupid way to do this. Alright, there, 64 by 64. That was easy. I gotta order something before the store closes. that, and what else do I want? You can set the background of draws then. Okay, done. Then we're just gonna use this, I assume. I'm gonna do math. What do we need math for? Oh no. Where's Ratbeard? Where's Ratbeard, bro? Make size of the bar 448. Which one's bar? Hold on. The bar is the top, right? Slot? Yeah. Okay. And then size Y. Okay, there. That looks right. There are now 7 pips max. Okay. And how do we change? Let's say we wanted to do 10 or 9 pips. Okay. I see. That math is OP. Okay. Cake. Can you scroll down to show where it says scale? Yeah. It's on 0.3 and 0.5. Reset both to 1. Okay. What's the issue? What's up, Danton? How's the interesting strats going? Now it's normal. No smaller than 0.8. Okay. Any anchors to the middle? I think that's why it's misbehaving. There you go. That actually doesn't look bad. Yeah. I feel like I want more pips though. Danton, how many pips do you want? Like 10. Or 9. Or 11. 14 pips? Well, this is 7, which would be times 2, which would be 14. Yeah. We don't have noob and power pips coming in. I don't even think I want to have fucking pip chance, bro. I feel like having pip chance is stupid as fuck. Is that a hot take? $37? Bro, we're not doing 37 pips, Giant Dad. You're insane. I mean, I know we have that much right now. I know that. For simplicity's sake, we're just doing one style of pip now, Danton. So we'll just call this like a new pip, all of them, for now, until we can figure something out. Okay, I need to order this before it closes. I, in fact, did not order that. Okay. Is Rapier the XP bar? No, that's like a boss fight. You won't always see that. Combine the new and the old ensemble? How do you even do that? You have any ideas, Danton? placed. Where's the XP bar then? That's a good question. Well, I guess we have a couple of options. Well, this is combat. We're in combat right now, Dave. So you're not concede in combat. It would be somewhere on the screen. There we have a lot of places we could put it. Where do you think you'll look good, Dave? Okay, Giant Dad. Now what? We gotta do some coding, I think. You have to make each with a delay node? That's literally Japanese, bro. I don't know what I'm looking at. I also tried. I couldn't figure out how to change it from an integer to a bool. What even is that? You must get past this? I mean... What is that? What even is that, bro? It allows you to cheat time. Bro, how is that useful for us? What? Okay, we need to get our countdown on the HUD, or... I guess we don't really need to worry about the pips for now. Other than that... We're not doing a flea button. All we really can do is the countdown, or... the shad thing, but I don't really want to do the shad thing until later on in development. Yeah, I think just the countdown right then. Check the progress. Pips done. To make that, you gotta get past for each with delay. What is that? Is that what that was? Where I even go for that? But yeah, Battle Circle? Well, I checked the 2 other places. It has to be Battle Circle. It goes to the macro library when you double click A for each clue. You're making a new macro function. Okay, so I got for each loop. Double click. Okay, we're here. And this is where I got confused. I tried, but I couldn't get it because this is red and mine is green. And I clicked everything and it didn't work. So I don't know. I don't fucking know, bro. Yeah, I looked in there. It just said macro, 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 macro. Click add. What is this? Good. Copy and paste. For each loop code in there. And edit it to match the screenshot. You don't even have for each loop in here. Or... Oh my god. Are you saying to go into for each loop inside of this macro? Oh my god, what the fuck are we doing? Okay, now this is fucking with my head already. In this loop, in this loop, in this loop, in this loop. Copy it all to the new macro. This whole thing. Okay, Control C. Go into the macro. Okay. Then edit it. I think the editing part is where I was getting fucked up, because how do I change... Okay. Inputs. Outputs. Good luck. How do I add stuff to inputs and outputs in here? Oh, wait here. How do I add a bool? Or not a bool, an exec. You can add an executable as an input? Really? Oh, right here. Alright, I got this shrine then. What's a white array? Vector array? What kind of array is that? Wild card. Yeah, the guys didn't know that. Array. Wait, I'm stupid as fuck. I still deleted my own very. Oh my god. Ah, you dumb fuck, Liam. Array. Wild card. Okay. Are they all wild card or no? The other two are execs. The other two are execs. Okay. Break. What, Giant Eye, can you actually explain what this is? Like, I don't know what I'm, like, what are we doing? Like, you said it's useful, but, like, what is this? Do you know how a for each loop works? Is it like the round? Like, a round is a loop? It goes through all the items in an array and runs code for each one. So it checks for hanging effects, basically. So like if you're gonna gambit something, it would be a for each loop, right? You'd run a for each loop in a round. It can delay time in between items in the array. So that's how you have like a round play out, the animations and blah blah blah, right? Or not really? Yeah. Okay. Oh my god! I got my first little thing done. And then this goes into here. And then Giant That, why can't I change this assign to red, bro? That's what I couldn't figure out yesterday. I click on it and nothing happens. It's supposed to be red, not green. That's what I couldn't figure out yesterday. Just disconnect it. Local. I need a local boolean. Look at the screenshot. I mean, I just figured it out myself. Look at that. The shit on Grandad. Alright. Assign. This is fine. And then, yes, not. I don't have a not. Does it have to be inside this box? Oh shit. Fuck, dude. Is not. What? Which one is not? Is not empty. Not equal? This maybe? No. Oh, maybe I have to drag off the red. Hold on. What does this do? Oh, nope. Not. Oh, I got it. Nice. I was just dragging off the wrong thing. Okay. Branch at the end. Length goes into the array. Yes. Yes. And then I need end, which is also red. And goes back into here. And then we're gonna check to see if that's true or false. Alright, I'm doing pretty good so far, Grandad. I'm managing. This is because he taught me the basics. It all led up to this point, Giant Dad, right? It all led up to this point. Giant Dad said, "Here, do this while I work on this fucking code." Hell yeah. Oh, my food's here. Alright. I got, oh, yeah, this ice cream is, okay, interesting. I got my fries, my chicken, and my ice cream. Alright, granddad. So back to work. Yes. I don't want to add these outputs, bro. I just want to eat. Get. I think these are fine. Local integer. Disconnect this. How do I add it then too? Oh, got it. Okay. I just need to do these fucking outputs. Fine, I'll do it. Wait, what? Oh, that's why. I can flicks with another. Huh? Oh, because I'm stupid. Yeah, my bad. Loop body. There we go. And then another wild card. Array. Wait, no. No. Integer. And then what, 2 more execs? Alright, while you review this, Dad, I am going to eat my ice cream. It's going to fucking melt. And I'm hungry, so I am gonna plug this bitch in. Get go into here, loop goes into here, array goes into the bottom one. And then one, right? Then two, extra O completed goes to false. I'll move this stuff a bit closer so you can kind of get a better look. And then for each loop, is just chilling up here. Alright, zoom in. Alright, there you go, Granddad. I'm gonna eat now, I can read it. I feel like there's a lot of integer lines overlapping, so I think I might... That's probably the thing I'm a little concerned about. These tries are good. Is it 100% perfect? I think everything is good except for... Oh, no. Hold on. Wait, where is this? Why don't I have an assign down there? Am I stupid? Tried that guy. I said duplicate and assign. Yeah. Okay, break. Goes in there. Extra in. Goes to branch. And then. Why do you have a checkbox on your assigning? I don't. Is that a problem? Seems right to me. Hard to say. It's literally the bool input. Well, I mean, bro, there's a check on yours and not mine. Engine diff. What? Look at the screenshot. Alright. I bugged it and now it works. Wait. I see another problem. Sounds right. I mean, it looks right to me. I think it's good, Granddad. That wasn't that bad. Okay, so okay, I think I got it. Into loop counter. How does it look weird? It should look like the other assigned value 0. American. I don't know. I just duplicated it. Maybe to ask for an assign. I don't know which one it is. The CB5. Okay. How do we test it now? Don't we have to go back to battle circle, right? So inside of this, for each loop, we have the macro we made. Okay. It's kind of wild this is this complicated just for a simple countdown. Here. That's in battle circle, right? Yeah. Set. Oh no, not this set again. Fuck. How do you do this set shit? Bro. Dude, why can't I remember this set? Bro, why do I keep forgetting the set Giant Dad? Set. Oh, bro, don't start keeping track of. Bro. Is it in here? It's gotta be. It's gotta come off as something else, not? Not Boolean. And that goes in the set. Set bool. Wait, maybe type boolean. Set bool. Oh. No, bro. God damn it. Fuck. I need to enjoy my ice cream, bro. Oh my god. It's pissing me off, man. I never understand the sets. Is it no set reference? Ref set? Each variable has a set and get node. Look at the name of the set. Each variable has a set and get node. It's setting turn. So set turn. Oh my fucking god, bro. How do I keep forgetting that? Fucking set. Set fucking bitch ass. Okay, then this goes into not, and then not goes into fucking Timbuktu, I guess. Values. Point arrow. I don't think I have that. Yeah, that's a something else. Get. BC. I don't have them in here. That'll work. I need to, how do you drag, like an entire thing? Alt and drag? Oh shit. Control and drag? Oh, got it. Yeah, I moved that down here, but it's kind of out of the way. Okay, so I don't have a point arrow. Get slide. function, not a variable. What the fuck? How do you have a get side function? Do I not have that one? I only have get side 1 or 2, but then that's I need a bool to come out of that. That's more functions. Okay. Make it a pure function. Oh. Uh-oh. And you want that in battle circle? Is T2 turn 2? This? Nah. It's green. There we go. Bool. True. Okay. I need to add. Array. What is that thing again? Is that main character? Yo, can I spell? Why isn't it connecting? Oh, it's map. What? The fuck is going on, Dad? Oh, I think I did it. Yeah, I'm fucking him, Giant Dad. Honestly, I'm so proud of myself, bro. I'm so proud of myself. Giant Dad's probably like, this guy's a fucking noob. But I'm so proud of myself, chat. That's great. It's great. You're still on this? Wow, fuck you, Giant Dad. That's crazy, bro. I was just celebrating a victory. That's crazy. Okay, now... Where are we going? We're going to... Event graph, I think? You gotta pure it? Convert function to event. Pure it. How do you do that? This pure. Where's that? Pure it. Oh, here it is. I got it. And then we're gonna go back here. Alright, back to it. I don't want that. Get side. Boom, look at that beauty. Beautiful, Giant Dad, beautiful. Okay. Point arrow. I don't have that. That's another, that's a, what is that? That's an event. That's an event, right? That's in the event symbol. That's not a function. Okay, let's skip over that for now. So trying to think of why do I have a branch in here? What is this stuff? Is that for later or something? I don't know what that is. I did the same thing. That's funny. um. Wait. So which one should I do first? The one I'm doing. Okay. This. Then that goes in there. I'm so happy we don't have like more than fucking 3 people or like 4v4, 5v5, 6v6. Start here. Okay. Maybe actually cancer if we had more people. Do I duplicate the for each loop giant then? With the macro in it? Yeah, probably. Yeah. Yeah, for sure. And then that went to there, like. Yeah. Hold the fuck on. Do I not have? I thought I made turn. New turn? We should really name our stuff the same thing. Is new turn Wiz turn? It can't be that. I could have swore we had a Wiz turn. Didn't we? I guess not. Unless... we have exit Wiz battle. Get ringside. Get Wiz side. I guess we didn't make a Wiz turn. I don't see it anywhere, Granddad. Wait, current turn index? Is that what I want? I need double equals at a set. Which would go into the Wiz turn. Set. Timer. By event. Event out of time, which is right there. Wait, Giant Dad, is this connected? Like, do I just drop this down here? Like that? It's all connected? It's all connected. Hell yeah. Alright, nice, we're cooking. Okay, yeah, so I can't do much until we have the Wiz turn. Yeah, okay. So I can't do much till we have Wiz turn and point arrow on this section. Alright, so... Alright. So that macro I made, is that only in that specific loop, or is it in every for each loop we make? Rename it? To what? Hi Dakota, how are you? Legally, I should be more worried about Expedition 33 than was Dakota, but E33 doesn't have patents. Not that I found, at least. The only way I could get in trouble with Dakota is if I literally like copy everything and I publish with the wizard name. So like if I literally copied all the schools and named it Wizard 102. Alright, Granddad. What's next? Functions? No, I need the functions. I don't have Wiz turn. I don't have point arrow. I did everything else though that I can do. Thanks to Bloom. Wiz turn is a function of the base character. Yeah, I already did that. I dragged to my right. I couldn't find it anywhere. I don't think we made it. I thought we did, and if we have exit Wiz battle, that's it. Wiz turn. That looks familiar. I have an idea. Hold on. That didn't work. I could have swore we made that, bro. Enter battle. Oh, is it enter battle? Nah. Nah. Ooh, parkour, stopball, go. Set me man. I guess we didn't make it, Giant Dad. Okay, and what is that? Is that an event? Or what is that symbol? Nah, I think it's a function. It's a function. Shit. Oh no, the set is back. Okay, my turn. Am I stupid? I don't have a my turn. Was fine. Battle reference. PC ref. Animation ref. Do I just add a variable during then? I think so. Let's drag that in. Set. I gotta add input. There we go. Branch. My favorite. Oh, needs this. Where's Pips? Oh no. Okay, looks good to me. What is that? Add 20? How do you have a green on your shot meter there, Granddad? Float for shad pips. Integer. That's in. Is it? Float for shads. Pip integer. Shad meter. Float. Pure? No. Something's wrong. Shads. Float for shads. Pip integer. Huh, that did not do anything. Okay, so then I wasn't supposed to do that. Pips integer. The I variable is not public or will not be editable on an instance of this blueprint. Expose on spine. Default value. No. I don't understand your dad. Set? Yeah, I am lost, I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, I'm trying to. I can't figure out how to get it there. Aside from that, it's good though. How do you have that? Double click it. That's where I've been. And create a float input. Oh, you gotta be kidding, man. Really? Fuck. What do I name it? Add? No way, that's really what it was? Oh my god. Fuck. Always something dumb. Okay. Done. So now looking at Liz turn, which nice. Back to work. Oh, there's an equal up here too. Then same thing down here. Why? Oh, because this isn't plugged in. I think we're good. Oh, point arrow. We're missing point arrow. And then we're good to go on to out of time. We have to use all this just for a timer to pop up on the screen. That's crazy, bro. I thought we would just call what we made onto the hand, but no, it's literally its own separate thing. Why is this its own separate thing, Granddad? I don't get it. You don't just make the timer. You gotta make everything up to the point. It's all connected. I'm surprised at how much we've done already. Should we make a Young Bell boss fight? Yeah. Make him a secret boss. Climb the Eiffel Tower to fight him or something. I don't know. Yeah, I think you wanted me to make the turn function a while ago, but I wanted to do something different. And as we started to fill up the HUD, I feel like it'd be a little too convoluted if we added my idea. So we'll just stay with the OG shit, you know? So that's why we have to go back and do that function. I have a question, Giant Dad. So, you know when Temp was in here, he said Wiz has 20 lines of code or whatever? Or 20 million. Remember that? So, because they're on such an old engine, that would mean they don't have blueprints, or did the old engines have blueprints too? Or is this an Unreal thing only? Blueprints are just C++ functions. So, if they did not have C++, which I don't know what they do code with, like you can make a new blueprint node if you have some lines of code. So what if they weren't C++? I don't know if they are or they're not. I don't know. I'll look it up. Oh, fuck. That just jump scared me. The core of the W102 client is programmed in C++. Relies on C++ for primary performance, while also using scripting languages like Lua or whatever that is. Okay. So they are on C++ then? So would their stuff look similar to ours then? Like in terms of like just being this? It would look similar in Visual Studio. Hmm. Can you shoot me the function for the whatever the fuck it is, the turn spinner thing, whatever that is. Point arrow battle circle function. Okay, I'll make that right now. Point arrow. You don't need it. What do you mean? The arrow tells you what turn you're on. No? Unless this is something else. Just create an event for it. Don't do this. Okay. Okay, create event. Where's values gonna go then? His executables goes into values for this. The next turn? No. No, that's what we're in next turn. Current round? First round, got side, got all. No. Fuck. I'm lost, Judges. Where's Young Bell, bro? I need someone to yell at. Uh-oh. What? Well, I'm gonna try to, see if my bank is unlocked for the funding thing. Oh, sorry. Alright. What's the problem, Granddad? A fish? What's that supposed to mean? Okay, I will see if my bank is updated. And I don't know what to do with this fucking event shit. Okay, finally. Settings? Okay, I found it. Alright, I'm probably gonna stream here. Let's call it early for today.